Well, everyone, you might be having an issue on your iPhone where for some reason your battery is just dropping crazy fast. Now, what does this mean? Well, essentially, maybe you're on 89% like how I am now, and within a few seconds or a minute, you're on 87, 88%, then 87, and then 86, and sooner than later your phone is dead, usually before it would usually die before. Now, if you're on a beta or if you just installed the latest version of iOS 16, or in the future if you're installing iOS 17, 18, whatever it is, if you installed it day one or even like week three like it is now, iOS in general just isn't going to be as stable as the previous version of iOS. So in this case, if we look at my specific iPhone 12, you'll see that if I click on general, this phone is on iOS 16.1, that beta. And even that beta isn't as stable as iOS 15.7 was, whatever the last version of iOS 15 was. So really your only best bet is to just make sure that you're on the latest version of software on your version of software right now. So if you're on iOS 16, make sure you're on the latest version there. If you're on iOS 15, make sure you're the latest version there. So click on your general settings here, click on software update, and just make sure your phone is up to date. If your phone is severely outdated, like it's on like the first version of iOS 16, then that is probably why you're having issues. So make sure your phone is up to date, and that should alleviate some of the issues there. Now, the next thing I'd recommend doing is making your way over to your settings again and seeing what your battery health is on your iPhone. So go and click on your battery section here, go and click on battery health and charging, and you want to take a look at this number up here, maximum capacity. If this maximum capacity is at 100%, or even if it's over 90%, then you're typically good to go. If this number is like 75%, or if it's like 82% or something like that, that can be a telltale sign that you'll probably have to get your battery replaced at some point. So you may just want to go and set an appointment up by Apple and have your battery replaced so you can keep your phone even longer than you should. And that is another thing I'd recommend doing. That can usually cause some problems there. Now, another thing I would recommend doing is within this battery section, seeing if which applications are sucking up the most amount of battery life from you. If you're noticing it's apps like Facebook and Messenger, then you may just want to see if you can go ahead and utilize those specific applications either within your web browser, like seeing if you can use Facebook within your web browser, or seeing if you can use Messenger in a different way or something along those lines. Typically, if you're using a big, massive application like those ones, they're going to suck up a lot of battery life. And if you have a lot of background app refresh applications like those ones, well, you probably still want to be notified of those apps. So you may just want to go ahead and make sure those things are taken care of. Now, finally, if none of those things are working, you may just want to go and try deleting some applications from your phone, maybe some big, heavy ones that you're using. You can also try restarting your phone as always, just holding down these buttons, restarting your phone. That's another thing you can try doing. But ultimately, those are the main ways for the most part of fixing this specific issue. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that helps me so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.